Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about RANKX function. So already I have discussed different examples in this function. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more clarity and more understanding how to write RANKX and top and functions in different use cases. Okay, let's go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand the demo. So already I have designed sample report for today's demo purpose. So I'm going to explain each and every step. So what I have done here. So before getting into the details, let me explain so what kind of tables I have imported in this desktop. Okay, so basically if you look at here, I imported customer, geography, product, category, subcategory, sales territory, and a fact internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel. And also we'll try to look into so what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact table. So go to the more tab. So now we can see we have already established a relationship between the dimensions and fact table. So if you look at here, so these are all the dimension tables. I'll try to take the snippet. So these are all the dimension tables. Okay, only this one is the fact table. Okay, so we have established a relationship in the dimension tables and the fact tables. It's like a one direction to this main direction in the sense like a star. Okay, one means one direction. So the filter propagation has been going from one direction to the many direction. So that is the reason we have symbol. So this symbol represent the way it is getting the filter the data. So like that we have established the relationship between the dimension table and fact table. So upcoming classes I'm going to talk in detail about this relationship, how to establish, what are the options, what is the cross filter direction. So we'll talk more on this in upcoming sessions. For timing, we'll try to focus on today's video. Let's go to the report. So here what I'm trying to explain is, so each country wise I'm trying to get the rank and also under the top level, but when you drill down to further level, each country wise I want to see the top 10 subcategory sales. So based on the subcategory top sales, I want to represent some derived column. So I want to write whether it is good sales or not performing, average sales. Like that I want to write some kind of a case statement. So usually we'll call it in SQL case statement, but when it comes to here, we can write some kind of expression based on the ranking. So we'll try to see that is also okay. Okay, so if you look at here, so we are generating the ranking at country level. So if you look at United States is top 1, Australia second, third UK, and fourth Germany, and fifth is France, sixth is Canada. Okay, and also based on the ranking selection, it's dynamically we are fetching, do you want to see top 3 or 5, 7, 10, like that. So what are the selection we have done, so based on that it's getting reflecting. So for this I have created a separate single column table. I'll try to take that also. Go to the rank number. So here if you look at here, we can see the ranking number 3, 5, 7, 10. So based on this selection, automatically we're fetching, for example in this case if I click 3 means top 3 ranks. Okay, 5 means 5, 7 means 7, because basically we have only 6 countries. That is the reason even though we have selected 7 means we are getting only 6. Okay, but when I drill down to further level, we can see top 7. If you want you can see the top 10 also. If you want we can click top 3. So we'll try to look into so what kind of expressions, what kind of functions have included in this measure. So go to the measure table, so click on the rank x4. So already I zoomed it. So here, so I'm just writing is filtered on RANKX. Based on the RANKX I'm generating the subcategory and also country wise. and checking. So based on the selection, I'm just giving the rank cells if it is not blank. So I have written this expression. So based on that we are getting, but in this case, instead of displaying ranks here, I'm just displaying the sales in rank x5. So rest of all kind of expressions or functions that I've used within these two measures are identical only. There is no difference at all. Only instead of displaying a rank number here, I just displaying the sales for the respective country wise at higher level. But when it comes to drill down to further level, in this level at the this context is subcategory level, I am just representing the sales for each subcategory wise under this country. Okay, so here based on the ranks, I'm just giving some kind of derived column expression, whether it is rank 1 means very good sales, 2 3 means like good sales. So I'm just deriving some other columns. How to write it? This is new measure, so rank x8. So I have written some switches switch function. So based on the rank x4, based on this measure, I'm just deriving some condition. If it is between 1 and 2 very good, 3 and 5 good sales. So I just written some kind of conditional based switch statement. So it's generating the this expression. Okay, but if you look at here, even though we don't have ranks, but it's giving no good sales, some message, we don't want that. So how to correct it? So we're going to see that is also okay. If you look at here, so rank x9, rank x9. So I'm just validating whether the cells are blank or not. So and also I'm just validating rank x4 also. Based on these two conditions, if the conditions are satisfied, then only the expression will execute for the level, otherwise it gives the blank. Okay, if these two conditions are satisfied, after that this condition will execute. So what I have written, if the rank x greater than equal to 1 and 2 very good sales, if it is 3 and 5 good sales, if it is 6 and 7 average sales, if none of these condition, execute this one. So that is the reason we are able to see not good sales for the 8 9 10 ranks. Okay, 8 9 10 ranks, because so these expression will execute if whatever the condition we have specified. If it is not satisfied or none of the above, then it will execute. Now we can check 3 5 7 sorry 10, it's executing. So this is the rank x sales, rank number. Based on that it's giving. Even I have written separately rank x10. This is rank x10, sorry. So this is a different way of writing. So okay, so in rank x9 I have written like this, but in rank x10 I have written something like this. So we can write it different ways, so for getting the expected output. So like this I have written this expression. So based on this selection we can choose the dynamically. Do you want to see the top 5 7 10, something like that? So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, so please send me an email, drop your comments in the comment section. So stay tuned for other videos, so please subscribe my channel. Thanks so much for watching.